Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to give you an overview of 29 April 2026 of your USD pair. So enjoy my video and you can copy my strategies if you think it's good for you, but make sure you should practice every study for minimum 5 years and maximum depends on capacity. It's better how much more you backtest any strategy so that you can have a grip on that strategy, and no strategy is 100% winded. If someone is saying that the strategy have 100% winded, then this means that person is not a trader. Either it's a gambler or just a course seller. So enjoy my video. So again, as we're going to see, we're going to identify our bias. So right now my bias is short over here. Why my bias is short? Because of this bearish breakup structure, again breakup structure. Although it's a shift, but it's not a shift, it's basically a pullback. You can see it's the Fibonacci, it's 50% of that Fibonacci, so it's basically a pullback. So price will deliberately go down from here. It's inevitable that the price going to continue a bearish breakup structure. So now over here I had a bearish breakup structure, so I'm going to mark my key levels, which are possible point of interest for me, and from that I'm going to take my trades accordingly. So over here there are a lot of people are thinking that's a key level, and that's the price has closed above this key level, and now the market is bullish because of this also this this order block, and because of this order block, it's almost this order block, and there's a you should also shift and XYZ. So, but no, we have to keep things simple. Although the price have closed above this key level, but again that this bullish candle was engulfed by 3 consecutive candles. So now again we are in bearish mode. So this is irrelevant for us. So this is what 9 a.m. 9 a.m. candle open. So 9:59 this candle was closed. So now from over here, after the opening of this 10 a.m. candle, we are looking for short. We are looking for sales on 15 smaller time frame. So my smaller time frame is 15 minutes. You can get 30 minutes, 10 minutes, whatsoever you want to call it. So over here, this was time frame. I'm gonna mark this area. No, not area page. I'm gonna mark it over. See 10. I'm gonna mark it on 9:45 because 9:45 this candle is closed. So this is the opening of this candle. From this candle we can find our trades for short setups. So now I'm gonna find key levels on 15-minute time frame. I can see this another key level on. Basically, a lot of people say key levels. A lot of people say it's a bearish order block. This is a order block. So, but I go for key levels. I understand key levels, so that's why I will go for key levels. Now you can see it has respected this bearish order block also. It has respected this breaker block also, and you can see also there is another key level over here, but this one. But I'm not gonna see this key levels. I'm going to consider this one, the key levels. And after my time, it's 10:45, so it's under my time range. So my time range is from 9:30 to 11:30, 12, or maybe 1, depending on the situation and the news also. Right. So from that, I'm going to be looking for shorts, and this will going to be my SL. TP. I'm not going for higher risk to reward ratio, but I'm going to be looking for easy targets, achievable targets. 1 second. I thought there's another wick over here, so that's why I was doing this. So now I'm going to do for 3 minutes time frame. See, even though you can see over here, although this is a shift, but this is not a proper shift over according to me, because the price gave us bullish breakout structure. So this is not a good shift, but over here I can see price is giving a shift, change in statement delivery also, market structure shift, and then another breakout structure also over here. You can see this is a shift, and again this price is giving us a beautiful continuation structure, market structure shift basically, right? Say so this you could, what I'm going to do, this was my trade. I put my trade on this order block, breaker block. I mean, you can say order block, breaker, but it's the same thing. There's a minor difference between them. And this way going to be my SL, and I'm going to target my liquidities or my TPs, what you're going to say. All this 1.62, I just got 1.5. Sorry guys, I'm suffering from a little bit coughing, so you know the weather is so hot. So this was my trade, 1:1.62, but because of spreads, I got a target of 1:1.5. So I think that's a good trade. Right, this is a good trade, I believe, although it's very low. But if you are expert, if you have a lot of knowledge, you can see the left side area, you can keep your target over this also. But depending on the situation, why depending on the situation, see this target, you see this was a lot of impulsive, so aggressive fair value, bearish fair value gap, that it is quite obvious that price will go much more downside. And moreover, there is also liquidity sweep, which adds further confirmation, more confidence for our trade. You can see which time was it, 10:51 a.m. and this was 11:48. So it's on hourly basis. We can see that's a liquidity sweep over here, and after liquidity sweep, you know that market will go in the lot of aggressiveness, because it's a fuel. Liquidity is a fuel for market. Wherever you're going, if you're going on a long route, it's very obvious for you that you're going to stop by at the nearest gas station to refill your tank, so that you can go easily, comfortably, and a much more longer distance. You can travel a lot of miles in your car after you have a full gas in your tank. So that's the same case in this scenario also, that you have liquidity also over here, all despite of all these zones and all this stuff. So you know that the price will go further downside. Although despite of this liquidity, price has gone much downside. You can see over here. You can use this one also. See, this one is also, no one was expecting the price will going to now go downside over here. Right. So if you have not closed your trade over, you would have got almost 3:1.7. 3:1:3.17 is to what ratio, but after spread you got this 1:3. So this is also a good trade over here. So I hope if you like my video, then you should enjoy and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. See, this was a easy trade, and you can add the confidence that price has closed below this key level on 1 hour time frame. So there is a high probability that price might go further downside, and this is our indication that if price has closed above this area, then there is a high probability that price will reach this bullish key level. So you have to understand the dynamics of this market, and see, things don't happen overnight. It's gonna take some time. You have to understand a lot of things regarding the market. So if you think that it's very easy to make money from, it is not easy to make money from trading. It's required a lot of time, dedication, and it's very painful. It is one of the most painful way to make money. Yeah, it is one of the most difficult way to make easy money, but it is a difficult way. And the most important thing is not a strategy, it's your mindset. So you have to train your mind, otherwise you will feel a lot of pain. You have to enjoy the pain. That's why, see, that's my slogan over is welcome to the pain zone. Did you do it enough? This is the main question, the back testing, everything. So okay guys, I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Bye bye.